What is up and welcome back. Today we have a first look and first impressions on the reimagined white cement Jordan 3s that dropped last Saturday. Probably like you, I was also on sneakers trying to get them at 7 a.m. and I did not get them on sneakers. I also entered 2 raffles. Also no luck there, but I did have someone who had an extra pair and a 9.5 for retail. So I was like, you know what? I'll take them. So I did get these for retail. So these retail for $210. And then after taxes and whatnot, around $230. So that's what I paid for this pair. And I am pretty excited. I've already taken a look at them, and man, these shoes are gorgeous. For some background, I've never owned a pair of Jordan 3s ever. In fact, I only have 4 pairs of the original 1 through 23. So I have 2 pairs of Jordan 11s, the Space Jams from 2016, and the 7210s. Space Jams, I still RDS'd. I do wear my 7210s pretty often. And then my recent pickup last month was low top red toe Jordan 1s. And yeah, the leather quality on this pair is much better than those as expected. I mean, these are over $200, so you expect premium quality in the sneaker. Online, there has been a lot of controversy and complaints about the quality control, specifically on the white cement 3s, which is kind of similar to the lost and found Jordan 1s, which was kind of the first shoe that they reimagined in the Jordan line. This being the second pair, and yeah, I'm very happy to have it. So what people have been saying online is like the elephant print is inconsistent between pairs. The Nike Air heel tab is also kind of inconsistent on pairs. Some people are unhappy with the widow's peak that's apparent in the toe of the shoe as well as in the forefoot of the shoe. So a lot of small things like that people are complaining about online, which sucks, right? If you pay over $200 for a shoe, you want to get a good quality shoe. And if you're not getting that, that sucks. I haven't seen anything similar to the lost and founds of people getting moldy shoes, so I guess that's a step in the right direction. But overall, I'm pretty happy I was able to grab a pair for retail. And this being my first Jordan 3, this is a pretty sick colorway. I really like it. So getting to shoe, the upper is mostly white. The midsole and the eyelets have the pre-aged look, so they're more of a cream sail color. And then on the bottom, we have Nike with some red and gray, and also that same cream sail color on the outsole in the middle. And on the back, we have Nike Air on the heel tab there. And of course, we have hits of red, so the eyelets here are red, as well as the Jordan here is red, and on the inside of the tongue is also red. So as far as quality control on my pair, I think the thing that you could complain about is the elephant print on the heel. So this is the right pair, and that's what the elephant print looks like. So a little bit thicker and a little bit more lines. And on my left pair, it's a little bit thinner, and there's not as many lines. But what do you think? Is that something that you should be concerned about when getting a $200 Jordan? This elephant print being skinny and less lines, this one being a little bit thicker and more lines, and just a different pattern in general. So far from my initial inspection and looking at my shoes, that's the only thing that I'm that could be a little bit better. Otherwise, man, leather quality looks very good. Of course, better than the red toe ones that I bought last month. One person already hit me up and was like, oh, I can't wait for the performance review on the white cement Jordan 3s. And I'm like, he was joking, but I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna play basketball or volleyball in these. These are strictly gonna be for casual wear. Of course, these are basketball shoes. Jordan over there was dunking from the free throw line in the white cement 3s. Shout out to JCRO, that's his art and super sick. He came out with some new prints recently when these dropped, so if they're still available, I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in grabbing that. But yeah, it also comes with this card, which shows kind of the tech specs of the shoe blown up. So you can see the upper, the midsole, the insole, the outsole, and what that's all made of. So that's really cool that they added this. I hope that they continue to do that. So from a lot of reports and articles online, it seems like Jordan Brand is going to continue reimagining different models, different colorways throughout the years, and maybe even this year. But what do you think? Do you like what Jordan Brand is doing with the Reimagined series? Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's gimmicky? Personally, I like what they're doing with the Reimagined line. Like I said, never had a pair of Jordan 3s, and this is a really cool colorway. Technically not OG because the OG colorways didn't come with the sale like pre-owned look, but aside from the small quality control issues that people have been seeing, it seems like most people and the community and consumers have been receiving the series pretty well. So I don't see why Jordan brand would stop, and as long as they're coming out with nice colorways and shoes and models that people actually want, then there's no reason for them to stop, in my opinion. So let me know your thoughts. Is this a cop or a drop? Is this the sneaker of the year? A lot of people are saying that. I don't know. Maybe for like, off court, it very well could be. Lost and Founds are probably last year's sneaker of the year. And these Reimagined White Cement 3s might take the crown for this year, at least for off court. But that's going to pretty much do it for this video. Let me know if you like this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.